Mario Battalion chose to waive his right to a trial by jury. Now, while that move does not surprise me, it does surprise me that it happened on the day of trial. I would have thought this would have been scheduled as what's called a bench trial before a judge. Let me bring in my attorney, guest criminal defense attorney John Mobley, who practices in Colombia, South Carolina, to talk a little bit about this. John, getting a lot of questions about this on social media. Many of us are talking about it here at Court TV. And when I got the question about how do you know whether to go judge or jury, I said it all depends on your judge and on your jury. Tell me your thoughts, if you would, please.
Well, Julie, my thought is I always like a jury over a judge. While, yes, judges are well-respected, well-esteemed individuals that try to make the best decision, they're still individuals that are up for re-election and are subject to all type of scrutiny. No judge will ever tell you they want to be the judge that throws out a murder case or finds someone accused of sexual assault not guilty. No judge wants to be that person because there will always be a backlash of some sort that's going to come back later to haunt them. It is always much easier for the judge to let the jury make that call and take the pressure off the judge. I never agreed with having a bench trial on serious allegations.
Okay, so on serious allegations, what about this? In the grand scheme of things, we know there are many, many, many types of sexually assaultive behavior, right? I'm sure you've tried some of the most serious cases. This one is a minor sexual assault that's being alleged by this woman. Groping over the clothing and forcible kissing are the allegations. Tell me, on a case like this, would this be one that ordinarily you might see be worked out in some type of plea agreement?
Yeah, I mean, I'm really kind of surprised this case didn't work out in a plea. I mean, I think that despite how well the cross-examination of the alleged victim is going, Batalion made some major mistakes early on in this case, where it seems like he was more concerned about his public image than the possibility of prosecuting. He made all these public admissions and apologies. I mean, for Christ's sake, the man sent out a newsletter apologizing. So he has all these admissions on the record prior to being prosecuted, yet he's still going to trial. So that's why I'm really kind of surprised this case wasn't worked out, because they had the admissions by the defendant.